Hello, my dear students of class 6 English medium. Today I am discussing a topic from your textbook. The name of the topic is Antarctic fauna. Actually, here fauna means animals of a particular region or country. So, first thing you have to remember that the continent is permanently covered in ice. As you know that this is the name of the chapter is ice capped continent. So don't forget that. So the continent is permanently covered in ice. So due to this reason, there is a lack of vegetation because the whole region is covered with ice. But the most important thing you have to keep in mind that penguins are permanent residents of Antarctica because they are used to the cold climate. Besides, seabirds, whales, seals, fish are found in the sea. And what is the food habit of penguins? So penguins only feed fish and krill. In your textbook you will find the pictures of seal, albatross, whales and krills. Okay. Penguin, the most important, this is actually the description of the particular animal penguins. Penguins, first thing you have to remember, penguins cannot fly, but they are good swimmers. Antarctica hosts almost 17 different species of penguins. The emperor penguins are the largest among them. The emperor penguins are the largest among them. They are almost 4 feet tall and an adult weight almost 30 kg. And their bodies are entirely covered with glossy feathers and that never get wet. A thick layer of fat under their skin and save them from the beating cold. So they are actually habituated and adapted to the severely cold climate for this reason, because they are a thick layer of the fat under their skin and it saves them from the beating cold. Okay. Next, this is actually the expeditions to South Pole. Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen and his team left the base camp for the central point of Antarctica continent, and he reached the South Pole on 14 December 1911. So the name of the person you have to keep in mind that Roald Amundsen. Then next important portion is Antarctica, the continent of science. Why Antarctica is called the continent of science? You have to remember. Then the Antarctica is known as the southernmost continent. It contains geographic South Pole, and it is noted as the last region of the earth in the recorded history to be discovered, and the continent has largely been remained as largely neglected for this hostile environment. and lack of the easily accessible resources and isolation. Come back to your textbook that the continent is not the territory of any country. It is an internationally owned landmass. Almost 40 countries have established more than 100 research centers here. These countries include, the name of the countries are United States, Norway, Britain, Australia, New Zealand, France, Germany, Japan, Argentina, and also India. Scientists around the world are researching on the natural environment of Antarctica. They are actually doing their work researching on the natural environment of Antarctica and its weather and climate and mineral resources, etc. The continent has got huge reserve of coal. So they have discovered the continent has got huge reserves of coal, petroleum, natural gas, copper, nickel, and gold under its surface. Okay. That's all. The in my next class I will discuss the concluding portion of this chapter. Thank you.